everybody. Today we're doing
A shotgun jousting.
starting the 1 versus 1 series. We're going to be shotgun jousting 3-round tournament. Well, it's not a 3-round tournament. A round is just 1 joust match. Probably going to be real. We're going to meet up, run on the wall on this map, and we'll have a shotgun.
Yeah, I think they know. I think they watch Quibble Cup, Jelly, and Slow Man. Trust me.
No one likes those YouTubers, so.
What? They have like 1 million likes, 1 million views.
That doesn't mean they watch them. And some people aren't even allowed to watch YouTubers that cuss, so.
I know. Some of them can.
I know, but not a lot of people are. Not a lot of people are.
Okay, I think
We're going to meet up on the wall run.
okay.
I got the old-fashioned one, I think. Like the one that you flip.
Okay, where's the wall?
This wall. I've already made up on it.
So what do you
Can
want
you see it?
Yeah.
Go!
Oh!
Yes!
Do you have to hold it to do it?
I don't know. No, you don't. I had, okay, second round. Go!
No!
Oh, come on. Okay, let's go for the last round.
That's a poop nugget.
Oh no, this is a really short challenge. Maybe we'll have maybe we'll have
Wrong thing!
maybe we have 19 rounds instead, because 3 rounds is way too short.
So eventually one of us would have 19 points. 19 rounds, 19 kills.
No, eventually none of us will make it 19 points. Unless you win every time, and that's possible now. Okay, I got 2 points. Kyle has 1. I think we might do 15 or 19 rounds, depending on how long this takes. Let's go! Oh! What the? This is like.
I don't know what this is.
I'm just gonna get ready. I don't know what this is. Well, this fun to anymore. Go!
Ah!
My Kyle! I'm gonna count that as a win for me because I didn't die.
Well, you didn't get a point.
I still didn't die, so it counted as a point for me. 3 points.
Oh,
2
no,
points. Go!
Oh! I didn't know you already started.
I said go. Oh, wrong side.
Well, I guess it was okay even when you didn't even say go.
I did say go. Go.
What happens when you try to aim?
I did aim. Okay, it's 4 to 6. You might do 19 rounds here.
Yo!
Really short challenge. Alright, don't use your hand. We might do that in a future challenge. Go! Oh, Billy!
Billy!
Did we both die? Oh, you fell.
Yeah.
Okay, that counted the win for you. 4 points for me, 3 points for Kyle.
Oh, good. No.
12 rounds to go. Let's go!
Cool. Wow, good at you.
I shot you. Did you take 2 shots?
I didn't get any damage thing.
Well, I shot you. Maybe you take 2 shots, and your shotgun took 2 shots to take me out. I thought they took Kyle. I never said go.
I don't care. What I did like last time.
Bye. Let's go.
Cool. 5 to 5.